Hello all, my name is Shivam Gupta. I'm a data science and business analyst intern at the Spark Foundation. So I have completed my task for exploratory data analysis of global terrorism. The problem is perform exploratory data analysis on global data terrorism and try to find out some hot zone of terrorism. As a security analyst, we find some meaningful insights from this data. So first we can we import the important library NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Sevan for advanced visual representation. And now we reading the CSV file here and analyze the data. The shape of data is this, and the information like columns types, column data types. Most of the columns are float data types, and then integer, and then object data types. Like 55 are floats, 22 are integer, and 58 are objects. Now here we some columns: event, year, I month, I days. These are the columns of this data set. In this data set, so data types we already see here, the data types of columns, and then finding the null values present in the data set or not. Here we see the output is false, so that means the null values are present in this data set. And how many null values are present in the different columns? In event are 0 null values are unique, all are no null values. Year no null values, month are no null values, days are no null values. Now here we drop event ID column. There is no need event ID column here. And now we describe the data like integer type of data. Some describing this: count, mean, standard deviation. Based on describe the data based on object. Here we based on integer, and here we based on object. Then finding the unique values. How many unique values? Here we can say 47 unique years. Month are 13. 1 are included unknown month. 12 month plus 1 unknown, and days are 31 plus 1 unknown. Now we finally visualize the data and see some meaningful insights. First, we analysis of data based on the number of attacks based on country. Here we done and see the Iraq is the maximum number of terror attacks happened. In Iraq, maximum number of terror attacks happened. Along with the Pakistan, Afghanistan, India is on 4th place in this list. The maximum number of terror attacks in India is 11,960. Is on 4th place. The minimum number of terror attacks happened in Antigua and Bermuda and others. Minimum like only one terror attacks happened in this country. Now visual representation, bar graph. Here we see Iraq is a maximum number of terror attacks, and then Pakistan, Afghanistan, and India. And year is the most number of terror attacks happened in these countries. Like top 10 countries in which year maximum number of terror attacks happened. In Iraq 2014 is the year when the maximum number of terror attacks happened. And in India 2015 is the year when the maximum number of terror attacks happened. Here's the bar graph of visualization of graphical visualization. 2014 Iraq and 2015 in India. The number of terror attacks based on states. Here we see Baghdad are most affected state, and then Northern Ireland, most affected state in the whole world. Then the pie chart to visualize this: 19.39% terror attacks happen in Baghdad. And then cities maximum number cities based on cities, maximum number of cities are unknown, like not finding this. And then after that, Baghdad and Karachi are two most affected cities due to the terror attacks. Number of terror attacks in Baghdad and Karachi is very high. Then visual representation, graphical bar plot, maximum are unknown, then Baghdad, Karachi, and Lima. Terror attacks based on region. Which region are most affected due to the terror attacks? Middle East and North Africa and then South Asia are most affected regions, and then after South America. 27.91% terror attacks happened in Middle East and North Africa, then 24.87 in South Asia. And number of terror attacks based in year, as we already see previously, 2014. In 2014, maximum number of terror attacks happened in Iraq, and overall 2014 is very hot year for terrorism. Number of terrorism is very high in 2014 and 15 as well. Here we see 2014 17.5% of terror attacks happened. Attack types, mostly attack types are bombing and explosion, and then armed assaults. Here with the graphical representation, graphical analysis, maximum are bombing and explosion. And targeting type, which type of area they targeted in the terror attacks, like maximum are private citizens and properties and militaries, then police. These are some top targeting types in terror attacks. Graphical visualization, bar plot, and see which kind of weapon used in these terror attacks. Explosive weapons are mostly used kind of weapon used in these type of terror attacks. These terror attacks, like 50.9%, that is very huge number. So next we analyze based on which terror group done maximum number of terror attacks. Maximum are unknown, not known. Then Taliban and Islamic State of Iraq and Levant are done maximum number of terror attacks. Here we are graphical representation, pie chart, and then analysis of number of people killed and wounded in terror attacks. Here we see top 10 killed, number of killed, and then we find the in which country the maximum number of people are killed in the single terror attack. These are the in Iraq. In Iraq, 1570 people are killed in Iraq in a single terror attack that is done by the ISIL, Iraq and Islamic ISIL terror group. The number of wounded people, and we analyze the wounded versus kill ratio. Here we plot the C1 real plot graph. Final conclusion comes on final conclusion. Maximum number of terror attacks have been happened in Iraq, and since 2011 terror attacks are gradually increases, and maximum terror attacks happened in overall maximum terror attacks happened in 2014, and Taliban and Islamic State of Iraq and Levant ISIL are two most terror groups that happened maximum number of terror attacks across the global. Thank you.